Hello guys, welcome back. In this guide, I'll show you how to get your FNB bank statement using the FNB app. Follow the steps carefully and you'll be able to view, download or request your bank statements in just a few minutes. First, open the FNB app on your smartphone. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Sign in to your account using your username and password. After signing in, tap the bank icon located at the bottom of the screen. This will display all of your FNB accounts, including your check, savings, and credit card accounts. Select the account for which you want to obtain a bank statement. Once the account opens, tap Account Options on the right side of the screen. Next, select Statement History. You'll be taken to a page that displays your bank statements from the last 4 months. Tap the month of the statement you want to access. You'll then have several options. Tap View to open the statement directly in the app. Tap Download to save it as a PDF, or click Email to send it to your registered email address. If you need a statement that's older than 4 months, scroll down and tap Request Statement. Select your preferred date range, choose your preferred delivery method, and submit your request. Once your statement has been generated, you can open it from your Downloads folder if you downloaded it as a PDF, or from your email inbox if you chose the email option. Your FNB bank statement should now be available to view, download, or share whenever you need it. If this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.